If you are concerned about the future of web designers, as AI becomes more advanced, keep watching this video. It's actually a bit scary to realize that some jobs are already starting to disappear. So I decided to run a little study on how AI designs web pages to see what skills we should focus on to stay irreplaceable in the next few years. I'm Alex Carter, a web designer and consultant. I help companies build online presence and find clients. Let's take a look at a specific case. A client wants to build a website for their auto repair shop. To see what AI can do, I wrote a prompt in ChatGPT and decided to test it across 3 platforms: Replit, Lovable, and Code Design. Let's check out the final pages. At first glance, these AI-generated pages actually look pretty good, and that's where we use our first hack: strategic thinking. Let's think about the actual goal of an auto repair homepage. It's to persuade potential clients to choose this exact shop for the repairs, right? Let's look at a real example: Pace Tire, the website of a successful auto repair shop. From the very first seconds, the viewer understands. The shop has a high rating. Customers are happy. Here are reviews and awards. Even skimming through the text, we understand that customer care is the top priority. Only a real human who has studied the business and customer needs can design a structure like this. AI builds a page using a standard template, but users think differently. I have a problem. Who can solve it? Why should I choose this specific shop? How fast will they fix my car? Let's rebuild an auto repair template into a website and give it a specific focus. Imagine we've talked to the client and found out that their shop specializes in quick, 24/7 emergency repairs. Let's change the headline: Manhattan Auto Service and Bodywork. And in the third slot, we'll place the Why Choose Us section. See how a generic AI template gains logic and meaning? Empathy is the second essential skill. It's the ability to put yourself in another person's shoes and see the world through their eyes. If a design doesn't consider a person's emotional state, it simply won't work as intended. Let's compare our AI template with a real website of a successful auto shop, Tedesco Auto Body. Right on the homepage, they placed an award they won in their field. This instantly builds trust in their service. Next, we see exactly what their clients need: accident repair, electric vehicle repair, and full service support. Then we have certifications and reviews. A real photo of their team perfectly supports the Why Choose Us section. All of this reduces the visitor's stress and creates real trust. And right below, they placed a Click to Start Your Estimate Now button to help visitors get a quick price estimate by taking photos of the car damage. Let's move on to the third skill: design taste and training your eye. Take another look at the AI templates in 3 real websites: Luxury Auto Body Shop, Arc Car Glass, Matt's Mobile Mechanic. I think it's obvious. All real websites look completely different. Each is built around the services offered. AI-generated websites often feel generic. They all start to look the same. This is where design taste and a trained eye become essential. Choosing the right colors, typography, and style still requires a human eye. This is exactly where you can outperform any AI. Let's modify colors, fonts, and spacing to make the website feel more premium, light, and spacious. Look what we've got. Notice how a few small changes completely transform the way the website feels. Conclusion: AI is powerful, smart, and fast, but it is still just a tool. Only a designer can understand the business context and decide which design will build trust. So use AI with confidence, developing strategic thinking, empathy, and design taste. These skills will help you stay valuable as a designer. Subscribe to stay updated on new videos.